3, 2.
Hello, my name is Alicia Hurtt. I am the visionary behind I See My Baby Women's Wellness Retreat. Today we are in Negril, Jamaica. Matter of fact, we are at the Pattoo Castle. I am so excited to be here, and I wish you were here too. Listen, I thought that this retreat would be similar to last year. It was impactful, it was empowering. However, this retreat has exceeded my expectation. This year we were able to integrate with the local community. We had women come in that really needed support. They needed you. They needed us. They needed to hear and see that no matter where you are, we're from the US, they're here in Jamaica, but that we all struggle with the same things. And we were able to embrace one another, utilize the resources that we created. And you know what? God told me, Alicia, this was the purpose. So he gave me the vision and then he increased it while we were here. So what do you think about next year? God's going to take us to another level. Do you hear me? So we are gearing up for next year, 2025, but also we are opening up our first wellness center. So God is definitely taking us to an extended reach because it is necessary. So I definitely recommend that you look into the 2025 retreat with I See My Baby. Thank you so much for listening, and we need you here. Take care.
Woo!